Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent Now 2. Today we are working on commonly mispronounced words in English. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy the moment while you practice. The wrong way to say library. We say library. Library. The incorrect way is library. A library is for reading and storing books. The wrong way to pronounce this type of word is salmon. We do not say salmon, we pronounce the word salmon. The correct way is salmon. A type of fish, when we pronounce the word, the L is silent. The incorrect way of pronouncing this word is jew-ler-y. We do not say jewelry, we pronounce it jewelry. Jewelry. Let me say that again. Jewelry. Jewelry are ornaments like rings and necklaces. Do you remember what we call these pictures? Have a look and see if you can remember how to pronounce these words.